Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today, let's quickly unbox the ExpoDisc 2.0. Now, a lot of you might not know what this is, but this is actually one of the most important things to have if you have anything to do with photo or video creation. This is a very cool white balancing tool. Make sure that every shot you take, every footage you shoot is always accurate. So let's just open it up and see what's on the inside. First things first, there's a really cool carrying lanyard. Now this is going to be important. That's it. Now we have a set of filters. We're going to talk about that in a bit. A user manual, which is actually very, very useful, believe it or not. But the real thing is right here, the ExpoDisc 2.0. And it comes in this really nice silicone case. And if you take it out, this is what the disc looks like. It basically goes and straps itself to the front of your lens and helps you take an accurate white balance reading by turning your camera actually into an incident light meter. And what that is and how this actually works is something that we're going to talk about in a different video. But for now, let's just put that there. There is also a color calibration chart. So every Expo disc that comes out of the factory is color calibrated, double checked for its accuracy, and this little card tells you exactly how it was calibrated. So, and there is of course also the date on which it was calibrated and who checked it, what was the gray transmission factor, all of that. So there is that. Now coming to this little packet over here. Now this is a set of filters basically designed for changing the white balance settings if you're especially shooting portraits because you want a slightly warmer tone. So there is a little filter that goes on top of the Expo disc in order to bias the white balance to a more warm tone, and that's right here. You're actually not really supposed to touch it with your fingers. You have to be very careful while handling it so that you don't get any oil or unwanted materials on it. So I'm just going to leave it in there. So this is essentially everything you get in the box when you buy the ExpoDisc 2.0. It's a pretty neat little package. It's a very, very, very important tool to have for anybody who's shooting video or taking photos. So you get the ExpoDisc, you get a very nice carrying case, you get the warming filter, a user manual which is very helpful, and of course a lanyard to carry this thing, and a color calibration certificate right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.